guys, today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Threads app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, clicking this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, you click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you just click here on privacy, you click here on accounts. When you click here on accounts, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on political here content, just click on it, come here to suggest political content here, clicking this sign here or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.